We all have been watching we realized who all work for a film, the work that goes behind the visuals. Yet we underappreciate one of the most important crafts, and that is screenplay writing or screenwriting. Screenplay writing is writing down how you tell a story. It is different from writing a novel, an essay, or a poem. Screenplay format is employed to express the story visually on screen. It's not just superficially writing about the events that happen as the story progression takes place, but also writing down the dialogues, expressions, moments, action, and other details as well if one intends to do. It is not just a fixative to simply stick or change the events, but also the treatment, the form, and deciding factor pertaining to the flavor of the film. It's a kind of guide for the directors and actors to take cues from. The screenwriter of Taxi Driver, one of the greatest films ever made, Paul Schrader said, I could just be a writer very easily. I'm not a writer, I'm a screenwriter, which is half a filmmaker. But it is not an art form, because screenplays are not works of art. They are invitationals to others to collaborate on a work of art. I think we as cinephiles always revisit our favorite films, realizing no matter how great the cinematography or acting performance or music is, but after contemplating, we understand that it all boils down to nothing but efficient writing. Many times we do not consider it. Master of Suspense, Alfred Hitchcock said, to make a great film, all you need is three things: the script, and the script. Once you are on the internet, number of people tell you that the Breaking Bad is the greatest show in the television history. The greatest title is here subjective. But when you tune out of the internet hype, spoilers, a whole lot of praise and watch the show, you think to yourself, this show belongs to the rarest of the dramas you will ever find in the world. In the words of Sir Anthony Hopkins, from what started as a black comedy descended into a labyrinth of blood, destruction and hell. It was like a great Jacobean, Shakespearean or a Greek tragedy. Caution, spoilers ahead. In the starting of Breaking Bad, we were introduced to Walter White, a chemistry school teacher working different jobs to keep his family afloat. He feels underappreciated. He is the kind of man who people walk over, but he takes it. But when doctor tells him that he has a cancer, he snaps. I have watched all of my colleagues, friends surpass me in every possible way, and in within 18 months I will be dead. And he stops talking to people for some time. He decides to earn money for his family and goes on a ride of drugs and death. He takes control of his life. The journey slowly unleashes a monster within him. In all of the episodes where Skyler questions him, why is he doing all of this? Walter always answers he is doing it for his family. That's why the final conversation between Walter and Skyler is a memorable one. When you look beyond the wonderful cinematography, performances, and adrenaline pumping scenes, what makes Breaking Bad a great show is its writing. It has a pinpoint precision. Vince Gilligan stood very true to his story and characters instead of doing a fan service or a plot twist. It has a plot direction, always moving forward without going in circles. The characters change with every incident. Breaking Bad has to be the most popular show with least number of characters, but every character has a play in the story. The whole plot of Breaking Bad follows three-act structure, where we have a setup, a confrontation, and a resolution. Walter White knowing about his cancer and deciding to go into drug business is a setup. The whole hell gets loose when he changes into Heisenberg. The tensions, threats, murders, chaos is the confrontation. And finally, the last two pinnacle episodes are the resolution of the conflict. If you think the brilliance stops there, then you are mistaken. A German literature theorist named Gustav Freytag observed many things in Shakespearean and Greek plays and dramas. He said that there are similar structures to great character dramas. He named five things, which are introduction, rise, climax or peak, fall, and the catastrophe. You can observe these kinds of writing in Maniratnam's Nayagan and recently in Nag Ashwin's Mahanati. Let's take Mahanati. Here the introduction is where child Savitramma is introduced to Chowdhury. We get to know her character traits. The rise is when she saw success. The climax or peak of her character comes with the ceremonial elephant ride. But when the peak comes, there is nothing next but fall. She turns to alcohol. The catastrophe is when the character dies. That's how you write a character, which will be remembered for ages. Here the fall feels much more painful when you show how much the rise he or she has achieved. Coming to Walter. We get to know Walter as an underachiever. He rises to unprecedented power when he enters into empire business. The peak is when his name precedes him. That's why they say, my name scene is aesthetically pleasing. The fall of character starts with not saving Jane. Then he becomes a monster who poisons Shane, a time bomb everyone fears. The catastrophe happens when Hank dies and ends when his son defends Skyler from him. Do you see the poetic collapse? It all started at home and ended with home. After all this, there is a pyrrhic victory of Walt's character. He always wanted his name to have a legacy. In the last episode named Felina, we see his name of Heisenberg is immortalized in the town. He finally won, but losing all that was close to him. Whenever I think of Breaking Bad, there would be an image of Bryan Cranston's face, going from a vulnerable dad to badass time bomb with just a twitch of muscle. My only advice is that don't compare works of art, you will reduce them to products if you ever do that. I believe screenwriting is filmmaking. It is the first and foremost thing in the process of making films. And as we audience always underappreciate the screenwriter, we glorify the actors, directors, or music directors. But we forget all that happens on screen is only because the screenwriter pens down the film on a paper. We also don't notice that screenwriter does a good job, but we do when he messes up. Screenwriting is the foundation that is hidden underneath where the films are building and gloriously raised upon. I don't think screenplay writing is the same as writing. I think it's blueprinting. Robert Altman. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up below and click on the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also do follow on Instagram to not to miss an update from What to Watch. Till then, stay home, stay safe.